Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10th mathematics, that is quadratic equation. This is exercise 10.2 part 2. In the part 1 we have studied about we have solved the question related to exercise 10.1. Now let us move for 10.2. So in 10.2 the first question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So now let us factorize the given quadratic equation. So now the first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So now let us factorize it. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get 1 into 10 is minus 10. If you add or subtract, you have to get the middle number minus 3. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ -10 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 5 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, 5 2s is 10. -5 plus 2 is -3. So x square as it is minus 10 is equal to 0 as it is. Minus 3x can be written as minus 5x plus 2x. These two one group and these two one group. You take x as common, then what is the remaining? X minus 5 plus 2 as common, then remaining is x minus 5, which is equal to 0. X minus 5 is common, then x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, then x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. So like this we have to factorize the given quadratic equation. Now let us solve the second question. In the second question they have given 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get 2 6 minus 12. If you add or subtract, you have to get plus 1. So one is to get 12. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರಬೇಕು, add ಅಥವಾ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. One is 4, another one is 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್. Plus into minus is minus. 4 3s is 12. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 2x square minus plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. You make these two one group and these two one group. So 2x common ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x plus 2 minus 3 common ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x plus 2, which is equal to 0. So what is the common to both? X plus 2. And what is the remaining? 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So now let us equate to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2 become minus 2. Or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So the roots of the quadratic equation is either x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3 by 2. So like this we have to solve the second question. Now let us move for the third question. The third question they have given that root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get root 2 into 2 is 2. 2 5s are 10. If you multiply, you have to get plus 10. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get plus 10. If you add or subtract, you have to get plus 7. So one is 2, another one is 5. So 2 5s is 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. So root 2x square as it is, plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 also as it is. 7x can be written as plus 2x plus 5x. These two one group and these two one group. So among these two you take root 2x as common. So root 2 I have taken outside. X square ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ತೆಗ್ದೀನಿ. one more x plus root 2 ಗೆ ಏನು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. root 2 x already we have taken outside plus among these two 5 is common. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು x plus root 2 which is equal to 0. So what is the common to both? X plus root 2. What is the remaining? Root 2x plus 5 which is equal to 0. So x plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus root 2 become minus root 2. So root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to plus 5 become minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. Therefore, the roots are either x is equal to minus 2 or or x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Like this, we have to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. So now let us move for question number 4. In the question number 4, they have given 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now you take 8 as the LCM. 8 2s are 16x square minus 8 into x 8x plus 1 which is equal to 0. You multiply 8 here. So 8 zeros are 0. Now what is the remaining? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, so you have to get 16 ones are. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get 16. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 8. So minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. Minus 4 is minus 8. Now 16x square as it is plus 1 is equal to 0 as it is. Then minus 8x can be written as minus 4x minus 4x. These two one group and these two one group. You take 4x as common. 4 4s are 16. X into x is x square minus 4x 1s are 4x minus 1 common. 1 into 4x is 4x. Minus into minus is plus. 1 1s are 1 which is equal to 0. So common to both 4x minus 1. Remaining 4x minus 1 which is equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. Next 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 4. So like this we have to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now let us move for question number 5. So in the question number 5 they have given 100x square minus 20x plus 1 which is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers we have to get 100. If you add or subtract you have to get minus 20. So one is minus 10, another one is also minus 10. Minus into minus is plus. 10 tens are 100. Minus 10 is minus 20. So 100x square as it is plus 1 is equal to 0 as it is. Minus 20x can be written as minus 10x minus 10x. These two one group and these two one group. You take 10x as common. So 10x common tekondre. So if I take 10x as common, remaining is 10x minus 10 tens are 100. X into x square. 10x ones are 10x minus 1 common. Remaining is 10x minus 1 which is equal to 0. So what is the common to both? 10x minus 1 and what is the remaining? 10x minus 1 which is equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 x is equal to 1 by 10 or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. So like this we have to solve the given quadratic equation. So now let us move for question number 2. In the question number 2 they have given solve the problems given in example 1. So here example 1 is given. By seeing that example 1 we have to solve the example 1. So what is the question that they have given in example 1? So John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So let us find out how many marbles with John and how many marbles with Jivanti. So now let us answer this question. So this is a second main. In second main, first question. So totally 45 marbles are there with John and Jivanti. Total 45. So John has X number of marbles. So if John has X number of marble out of 45, then Jivanti has 45 minus X marbles. So now both lost 5 marbles each. Then so actually John has X number, but they lose 5. Therefore what is number of marble with John? X minus 5. Number of marble with Jivanti? 45 minus X minus 5. So that is equal to 45 minus 5 is 40 minus X. That means if you now the marbles with John is X minus 5 and with Jivanti is 40 minus X. If you multiply these two, it is equal to 124. So X minus 5 into 40 minus X is equal to 124. So now let us multiply it. X into 40, 40x. X into x minus x square. Minus 5 into 40 become 200. Minus into minus become plus. 5 into x, 5x, which is equal to 124. So minus x square as it is. 40 plus 5. It is 45x minus 200 is equal to 124. So minus x square, then remaining is minus x square plus 45x plus 45x, then plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. So now minus x square plus 45x. So if you add both of them, it will become minus 324, which is equal to 0. Multiply each term by minus. Minus into minus is plus x square. Minus into plus is minus 45x. Minus into minus is plus 324, which is equal to 0. So if you multiply any two numbers, you have to get 324. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 45. One is minus 36, one is minus 9. Minus into minus is plus. 36 9s are 324. Minus 36 minus 9 is minus 45. So x square as it is plus 324 is equal to 0 as it is. So now minus 45x can be written as minus 36x minus 9x. These two one group and these two one group. If you take x as common, x minus 36 minus 9 as common, then x minus 36, which is equal to 0. So x minus 36 is common to both, and remaining is x minus 9, which is equal to 0. So x minus 36 is equal to 0, x is equal to 36. X minus 9 is equal to 0, x is equal to 9. ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಜಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು marbles idre x is equal to 36, then Jivanti will have 45 minus x, that is equal to 45 minus 36, which is equal to 9. So if John has 36 number of marbles, then Jivanti has 9. Then suppose if John has how many number of marbles? 9. X is equal to 9. Then Jivanti will have 45 minus x is equal to 45 minus 9, which is equal to 36. Therefore, Jivanti will have 36. If John has 36 marble, Jivanti has 9. If John has 9, then Jivanti has 36. Like this, we have to find out the number of marbles with John and Jivanti. So now let us move for the next second question in that one. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So now let us solve this question. Let the number of toys produced in a day is equal to x. So on this day x number of toys na produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Cost of each toy is equal to, so total number of production ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ minus 55. So cost of each toy is equal to 55 minus x. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರು 750 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ 750 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಟಾಯ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 750. ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಟಾಯ್? 55 minus x, which is equal to 750. ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಟಾಯ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 750. x into 56, 55, 55x minus x into x square, which is equal to 750. So ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus x square become plus x square, plus 55 become minus 55x, then plus 750, which is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get plus 750. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 55. Then one is minus 30, another one is minus 25. Minus into minus is plus. 30 into 25 is 750. Minus 30 minus 25 is minus 55. So now factorize it. X square plus 750 as it is, which is equal to 0. So 55 minus 55x can be written as minus 30x minus 25x. These two one group, these two one group. X common, x minus 30 minus 25 common, x minus 30, which is equal to 0. What is the common to both? X minus 30, and what is the remaining? X minus 25, which is equal to 0. So now x minus 30 is equal to 0, x is equal to 30. So x minus 25 is equal to 0, x is equal to 25. Therefore, in a day, either 30 toys are produced or 25 toys are produced. ಇಲ್ಲ 30 toys produce ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 25 toys produce ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Either 30 or 25 toys are produced on a particular day. So like this, we have to find out number of toys produced in a day. So by this, we have completed in exercise 10.2 first main and second main. Then remaining third, fourth, fifth and sixth question will be solved in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much for your great support. So thank you very much.